Don't miss this backyard oasis invitation for fun with this lovingly maintained and improved ranch home in the Hickory area of Chesapeake. First floor primary bedroom suite has access to the tiered back deck for instant enjoyment of backyard amenities. Rear half-acre lot hosts tons of play space, in-ground pool, detached workshop, and a stone path to a gather pad with fire pit. Inside boasts 4 bedrooms, neutral interior paint and trim throughout, and a roof-length floored attic space for plenty of storage. White kitchen cabinets and high-end black stainless steel appliances polish off the crispness of this beautiful home. 2-car garage, brand new high-performance architectural roof West/Scotchguard and lifetime guarantee, new moisture barrier and crawl dehumidifier, hardwired gas generator hookup, and hardwired home automation system. New full backyard vinyl privacy fence. Newer solid safety pool cover, variable speed pool pump, and multiport valve. This is an incredible find, so don't wait. Call today.